Have you ever wondered how you can take your passion for education and turn it into a rewarding career? Something that you can actually make money doing? Instructional design just might be your golden ticket. Today, we're going to take a moment and we're going to analyze how much do instructional designers actually make? How much can you expect to make if you become an instructional designer? We're going to look at average salaries. We're going to look at salaries based on location, and we're going to look at the current trends. But first, do us a favor, go down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and show us some support. Thanks. Here we go. Okay, so choosing a career as an instructional designer can be a good move. The fact is, there's a positive outlook for jobs, for salaries over the next several years. So let's dive in and take a closer look. The demand for instructional designers has skyrocketed, especially after the pandemic reshaped everything we know about education. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts this field is going to grow faster than average over the next decade. This growth isn't just about the numbers, though. It's about the increasing recognition of the value of instructional designers and what they bring to the educational landscape. So, what's the payoff? Let's get to the numbers. In 2024, the average salary for instructional designers in the US is about $70,000 to $71,000 a year. Some will see an addition of a $3,000 annual bonus as well. But you have to remember these numbers can vary widely based on experience, location, and the industry you're in. Now, it's worth noting that salaries can vary based on the source that you're using for reporting data. For instance, Indeed spots the highest salaries in cities like Seattle and Denver, and ZipRecruiter puts the average annual salary at about $81,000 a year nationwide, which is up from the statistics that I quoted just a few minutes ago in this video. Salary.com gives us a range showing the diversity in what instructional designers can earn as well. One thing we know is that location matters when becoming an instructional designer. In respect to salary, you can expect more money if you're working in a state like Alaska or California, with salaries reaching up to average of $85,000 to $86,000 a year. So you have to think about the geographical location when you're looking for instructional designer jobs, but keep in mind this can vary based on popular industries in the area, but also cost of living. So making more money if you're living somewhere very expensive, it doesn't necessarily work in your favor. So you have to really factor all of those things in. On the flip side, states like Arkansas and Arizona, they offer lower median salaries, but of course that might be offset by the lower cost of living. So make sure you take that into account as you're looking at instructional designer wages. Now let's look at career paths and how those relate to salaries. The field of instructional design, it's rich with, you have all these options of what direction you can take things. There's training specialists who earn an average of $55,000 or $56,000 a year. There's project managers who can earn upwards of $138,000 a year. So it can really vary depending on the pathway you choose and what type of position you end up in as an instructional designer. Each role requires unique skills and offers its own path for forward advancement as well. Now, breaking into this field usually requires a master's degree in instructional design. Most positions demand at least 2 years of education experience. For those that look to climb higher and want to really achieve those top salaries, roles like project management offer lucrative opportunities. However, it requires significant experience and leadership skills as well. As we've seen, instructional design doesn't just offer a promising career path, but it offers the opportunity for substantial financial reward, especially for those who are looking to advance their skills and willing to take on more complex roles. The stability and growth potential in this field makes it an attractive option for tech savvy educators who are creative and who are looking to advance their careers. So, if it sounds intriguing to you, we say now's the time to act. Consider upgrading your skills, finding a certification program, perhaps going back to school. If you check out myelearningworld.com, we have a lot of resources to help you on your path to becoming an instructional designer. All right, that's it for today. Thanks again. Make sure you smash that like button, that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and hey, in the comments, let us know about your journey becoming an instructional designer. Thanks.